it's up to him now to take the offer up.
Thank you very much, John. Quickly, Koleko Shengwa, please keep your mask on, though, Koleko. From the IF, thank you very much, Mr. Peter Groenewald from the Freedom Front Plus. If I can ask Mr. Kwankwa there from the UDM, please can you keep your mask on, sir?
Le video ishiye abemibeli belugqobevu ngumsindo, nto leyo evuselele umnyele de amanye amaqela ezopolitiko abamba imigushuzo kwizakhiwo zejelo le-ENCA kulo lonke eli. Iqela le-UDM lidibene nabalawuli belijelo ukushukuxa lo mba. Usekela mongameli weli qela nokwalilungu lepalamente umnumzana Nqabayomzi Kwankwa ngomnye wamalungu epalamente amnyama athe angamaxhoba esisiganeko.
When I first saw it, the video was shared with me by a friend of mine. I took it as an isolated incident because at the time I had not seen what had happened in front of me. I had no idea at the time I was doing the interview that the gentleman before me, which was Honorable Groenewald, was interviewed without a mask, and I was asked immediately after him to wear a mask.
Umnumzana Kwankwa uthi eyona nto ecaphukise kakhulu iqela lakhe yindlela elijelo le-ENCA eliusingathe ngayo lo mba, yaye uthi bafuna lixolise esidlangalaleni ngesi siganeko.
I told the leadership of ENCA yesterday that the fact that Lindsay seemed like she took it upon herself to apologize was an indication once more that ENCA actually failed dismally to manage this.
Ukanti nomhlalutyi ozimeleyo wezosasazo uthi ayibonisi kuzisola i-ENCA kwingxelo yayo ibiyikhuphile ngaphambili, watsho esithi elijelo kufuneka liqeqeshe intatheli zalo ngemiba yobuhlanga.
Their first statement was pathetic. They need to publicly commit to training of their reporters, as I think do all TV news channels, about racial bias and unconscious bias, and they need to make very strong statements about what they stand for, what they won't stand for, and just better training of their reporters.
Iqela le-UDM liwudlulisele kwikomishoni yamalungelo oluntu lo mba, yaye lithi kusekuninzi ekumele kwenziwe ukuzisa inguqu kumajelo ezosasazo kweli.